Now, about a year ago, I made a video of me making a Dopp kit just like this one in a different color, and it got a little over 1 million views, one of my first viral videos, and a lot of people asked, what the heck is a Dopp kit? And I'm here to answer that question. So in the late 1800s, there was an item known as a ditty bag, D-I-T-T-Y bag, and it was used by sailors to hold small items, like small articles, little fishing gear, things like that would fit in a small pouch. Later on, fast forward to the early 1900s, there was a gentleman who wanted to adopt that into something that could hold men's toiletry items. So you might be familiar with this as a toiletry bag. Now this man ended up making one right around the end of World War I, and come early World War II, the U.S. military hit this guy up. They're like, hey, we want to contract you to make these bags for our military personnel to hold our small toiletry items. Now, people were at the time turned off by the word toilet and toiletry. It's kind of a dirty word, seems a little kind of messy. It's not really attractive. So what they ended up doing was adopted it as a Dopp kit. The man who invented this Dopp kit, or is coined with inventing the Dopp kit, his name is Charles Dopp. So that's where the name comes from. It originated as a small kind of sailor bag for fishermen and things of that nature, and it ended up being more of a military use. And then obviously today it's pretty widely used by men and women all over, and it's known as a Dopp kit, especially here in the United States because of World War II and Charles Dopp. If you're overseas, you're not in the United States, you might know it as a toiletry bag or something like that, or a small men's travel bag. Let me know if this is news to you.